I'm here to talk about the Knowledge Center, and the Knowledge Center has done extremely well. The response has been phenomenal. The response has been great. Everyone who has enrolled for the Knowledge Center and been a part of it has thoroughly enjoyed it. And all of them have given great reviews and have only said that this has been a great whole new learning experience for all of them. All the courses of phase one, that is 8 short courses, 4 detailed courses, 12 whole courses will be completed by 31st December 2021. We will not carry forward anything to the new year 2022. A new year will see a new start, a new beginning, where we will see 8 plus 6, 14 new courses. 14 new courses is what we are looking at in phase 2. And I'll give you the details of all those 14 courses in just a bit. I'll take you through the website as well, because we have everything present there. But the response has been phenomenal. Everyone who has been part of this journey has thoroughly enjoyed it and has had a great experience learning and participating in the games that we have organized and taking that through in that particular direction. Right. So now let me just take you through the website itself and show you what exactly we are doing at the Knowledge Center and how we are going to take it forward. So this is the website. This is how it looks like, and this is what it is. So this is the Bharata First, kc.bharatafirst.com is where you need to go. And once you go there, you'll get all these new packages that we have in place for you. It talks about all the new courses as well. We have a platinum package, which has 26 courses in all. So it has 12 courses from phase 1 and 14 courses from phase 2. And if you click on this, you will see that it costs less than 1,000 rupees, including taxes. I mean, this is an incredible rate of return that you're going to get. 25,000 rupees, including GST. All these 26 courses will be available for less than 1,000 rupees a course. And look at the kind of courses that we are giving. Now, detailed courses, which will be for about 30 to 40 hours of lectures for each of the course, along with gamified learning material. And the courses that we have on offer here are management. This is a new course. Economy or economics is a new course. Sociology, another new course. Law and Constitution, another new course. International relations is something that we have in the first phase. Big picture analysis is currently ongoing, and this is what we have right now. It is taking place right now. We'll have world history. We'll have Indian history. Indian history will be completed very soon. The course has not yet started. It is part of phase 1, but we will complete it soon. Indian art and culture is ongoing, which will be completed shortly, and it should be done by the 10th of December or so. And then we have personality development, which is a new course as well. So personality development, world history, law and constitution, sociology, economics, and management, all detailed courses, all new detailed courses, along with the 4 old courses of international relations or foreign policy, big picture analysis, Indian history, and Indian art and culture, which makes up 10 detailed courses. So this is what the platinum package will have, along with short courses. So the short courses are between 2 hours to 6 hours per course. We have new courses here as well. We have Education Heritage of Bharata, Emerging Sciences in the World, Sanatana Dharma and Spirituality, Temple Architecture, Military History of India. Geographical Mapping is something which is of the first phase. It will be completed in December 2021 itself. So nothing to worry about. Heart Intelligence, part of phase 1, completed already. Reasoning skills will be part of phase 2, a new course. Thinking skills, a new course. Emerging technologies and AI, another new course which will be taken up. How to improve your English is already completed in phase 1. Identifying what is important in newspapers, already completed in phase 1. Confidence building and public speaking, already completed in phase 1. Body language and behavior, already completed in phase 1. Essay writing tips, already completed in phase 1. Basic general knowledge in the works should be out very soon and very shortly, hopefully in November 2021 itself. So there will be only one course which will be remaining, which is Geographical Mapping, which we will finish in December 2021. So 16 courses, 16 short courses that are there, 8 from phase 1, 8 from phase 2. And the new courses are all exciting, all very different courses that you will not find anywhere else. So the total cost of this works up to close to 80,000 rupees, or to be precise, 79,200. As an early bird offer, we are going to give it to you at 25,000 rupees only. And this works up to less than 1,000 rupees a course. So this is the platinum package that we have on offer. Let me go back and let me show you what the gold package is as well. So gold package has 10 courses, which comes at 20,000 rupees, including GST. The 10 courses that are there are all the detailed courses. So all the detailed courses that I had already taken you through come separately. In case you don't want the short courses and only want the detailed courses, here they are, these 10 detailed courses: management, economics, sociology, law and constitution, international relations or foreign policy, big picture analysis, which is current affairs, basically, world history, Indian art and culture, and personality development. All this costs 60,000 rupees, but you'll be getting it at an early bird offer of just 20,000 rupees, right? So this is how it is. You can go through the courses, the who's going to be taking these courses, what is the duration, what is going to be covered, all that is going to be mentioned here in the course curriculum. So you can go there and look at it whenever you have the free time. Please visit the website kc.bharatafirst.com and get all the information there. There is also a silver package. The silver package is 12,500 including GST. The silver package has all the 16 short courses. All the 16 short courses are covered here. It comes at a cost of close to 20,000 rupees, but you're going to get it at just 12,500 rupees as an early bird offer. Then you have the plus packages. We've categorized them as plus packages. These are the packages that are there only in the phase 2. Basically, all those who have enrolled in phase 1 do not have to pick up those packages again. So we've curated a separate package for you, or separate packages for you, so that you get only the packages of phase 2. So here are the details of that. So you have something called as an ultimate package, which you're going to get at 18,000 rupees, including GST. And this will have all the 6 new detailed courses, which is management, economics, sociology, law and constitution, world history, and personality development, along with the 8 new short courses, which is education, heritage of Bharata, emerging sciences in the world, Sanatana, Dharma and spirituality, temple architecture, military history of India, reasoning skills, thinking skills, and emerging technologies and artificial intelligence. The total package cost of this is 45,600 rupees, but as an early bird offer, you will be getting it at just 18,000 rupees. So this is a wonderful discount that we are offering right now, and you should take it up as and when you can, because like I already said, hundreds are reaping the benefits of the Knowledge Center. Don't be left behind. So we have something called as a deluxe package as well. This has these courses. So it basically has a total of how many courses does it have? Let me just quickly look at this. So it has all your detailed courses. So this deluxe package has all the detailed courses of phase 2, which is management, economics, sociology, law and constitution, world history, and personality development. And it comes at a cost of 36,000 rupees, but as part of an early bird offer, we're giving it at just 15,000 rupees. And finally, this is another package that we have. We have basic package as well, which is 8,500 including GST. This covers all the 8 courses of phase 2, all the 8 short courses of phase 2. And this is what you'll get at 8,500 rupees, including GST. Let me also tell you that all these courses will start in January 2022 and will be completed by the 15th of April 2022, within a span of 3.5 months, and we will not be carrying it forward from there, but you will have access to it for 365 days. This is being done so that the course is all completed before the prelims of 2022, UPSC CSE prelims of 2022, and all the other examinations that come along with it post the prelims. There are all the examinations start basically in June onwards and they go on. So before that, we will complete it and we'll give you a good 2 months time to prepare and go through as well. And all these courses also have gamified content. So you just play games and you understand and you learn as you go. So this is what we have on offer. And also just to add to this, let me also inform you that we are giving a further 10% discount to the first 100 people who register for the platinum package, gold package, ultimate package, and deluxe package. So those of you who take the deluxe package, ultimate package, platinum package, and gold package, and if you are one of the first 100 ones to register, then you get a further 10% discount. So don't miss out on this opportunity. This is a wonderful opportunity and a wonderful way for you to learn and experience new things. Go ahead and register now. Register today. Make full use of this. All right. This is what I wanted to speak about. This is what I wanted to talk to you about. And this is what I wanted to say about the Bharata First Knowledge Center and phase 2. So thank you so much. Someone is saying such an affordable price. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. And just to inform you, it's not just this bharatafirst.com, and this is what it looks like. You'll get all the information here, and you can have a look at the basic, all the packages as well. And there is something known as a mix and match package as well, where you can make your own package, make your own cart of courses worth 40,000 rupees and get a flat waiver of 50% on the final cart price. So you need to use the promo code mix and match. Like I also mentioned, the first 100 people to pick up those 4 packages will get a further 10% discount. So you're practically getting almost a discount of over 75% on everything that is available. And you have to use the promo code first 100 for that. You'll have to use the promo code first 100. Okay. So this is how it is. This is where it is. This is where all the information is. This is your one-stop destination for all your competitive exams needs, kc.bharatafirst.com. All right. And now, any questions that you may have, anything that you would like to say, I'm open to take those questions, open to speak to you now. So please go ahead and share anything that you have, anything that you would like to say. So a lot of you have made a lot of comments as well. Thank you so very much for all those lovely comments, and thank you so very much for all the support that you have given me. So wonderful to have you all here, and wonderful to be here as well. Very happy to see so many of you partaking in this live. And well, if there are no more questions, then I would like to leave right now. And I'd like to say once again before I leave, Knowledge Center is where you need to be as far as your competitive exams are concerned. Much love and appreciation to all of you. Wonderful having you all here. And let's work to make Bharata great again. Let's do it together. I need your support. I need people like you to go on this journey. All right. Wonderful. So someone else has asked an important question here. VSV has asked if you have any kind of query, where to resolve it. Any queries that you have can be resolved in the discussion forums that we have on the kc.bharatafirst.com website, or we have an app as well. We have a very interactive app, wonderful app that we have. Download the app and make full use of it. There will be someone from the team who will get back to you. All right. Wonderful. So Chaitanya Kumar Patil is saying, Tumba affordable price ide, sir. Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Very kind of you. Thank you for the Kannada as well. Tumba khushi aitu nodbittu Kannada nange. Very happy. Great. Thank you so very much. Thank you for spending your Monday evening with me. And I wish you the very best. Happy learning. All the very best. May Mahadev bless us all and be with us always. And let's make Bharata great again together. Thank you.